What's up, guys? It's me, Nolan here. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you what the iPhone looks like. iPhone S looks like. iPhone 6S looks like. Alright, so here's what it looks like. It's a cracked phone because my friend had broke it. He put it drowned in water, and he decided that it was just funny and cool to just break it. No, what you gotta do is you just gotta get all the water cleared out. Now, in the bottom right here, I already got the magnets out, but these two holes right here on each side where the charger is in the middle of it, right here and right here, is where the screws out are at. And screws look like that. They're tiny little things, and they can be magnified to silver things. Of course, not the box knife. So it's cracked, so I'm not going to be using it. The back's fine, so I might keep that nice and soft. Now, I got a knife and I cracked it open, as you can see from right here, and I just cracked it. And I have to keep those two because I need to do it, and I screwed it up. This is what it looks like. Oh, it'd be like somebody, hey, what's up, people? I got 2 phones. It'd be like pranking somebody, be like, guys, I got 2 phones. Do you want one? And they'd be like, sure. And then they look at the back of it, it's broke. So, you got this card right here. It's very long because it's a long phone. And of course, it's not this one because this is my, okay, you didn't use that. That, by the way, that's not my girlfriend, that's my cousin. And you're probably thinking why I have my cousin there. She is an awesome cousin. Okay, so let me get that clear. Okay, so now that we have this done, now these 2 silver things right here, you need to get out. So what you need to do is you need to get these guys right here. This one, that one. Of course, these 2, because you're going to know what you're going to do with it. So first we need to take out the key card right here. You want to chuck it right here. And just peel it out. Bro, dude, that smell. It smells like gum. Dude, it smells like gum. You smell that? Smell that? It smells like grapes, doesn't it? Is that what it smells like, dude? Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone because this ain't real. Okay. Bro, it smells like freaking nail polish. Oh crap. Bro, no, this can't be happening. Not today. Dude, the other piece of this, the other piece of that is missing. It's like disappeared. It's not even here. It was legit just on it, like. And today we're gonna go for dinner because my brother got back from Poland. And then once they get back from the winery, because this is where they're going to come back, and we're gonna go to Mexican Ice. Yeah. What's that in the back? What's that? In the back, right there. Bro, what is that? Bro, what is that? What is that? Bro! I'm in front of it. Now it disappeared. That's bad. You don't think it may be a ghost, right? You got some of that stuff in there. Look at that. It smells like eggnog. Alright, so we're doing that. We're gonna rip open this. We're gonna rip this open. You probably can't see, but there's a line right here. Right here, the words. Let me make this. I freaking hate everybody. No. Oh wait, never mind. It's not the pin. Okay, so my mom and my brother and my mom are now leaving. So that's good. I don't know if the car's on. Yeah, there it is. Now they are backing up. So now that they are gone, we're going to figure out about this. Whoa, we're going to figure out about this. Whoa, it's black. Let me turn on the light. It always does that. Alright. You can see. Bro, that is so weird. You can see me. Alright, let's just go on. I just keep on doing it. Okay, so now we're done with that. Hold on.
This is day one for the future of the NFL. The 2017 NFL Draft starts April 27th on NFL.
Okay. I don't know it's like that. Ugh. Give me a second. Okay, so now that we got that, we got this, and we got this, and I think it works when the black screen is gone. So we got this too. This. Now you need to open this because you're never gonna know what you need in there. Let's rip it open.
Know that together we can establish a meaningful legacy. With the guidance and support of your dedicated PNC Wealth Management team.
How the frick do you open this? Guys, I got it open. See this big line? I got it open. I don't know how to open. But that is the iPhone 6s Plus, and if you guys want this thing for parts only for $2, you want this part, you can maybe sell it to your friends, take this off, do something with it. Or you guys want this back screen, just subscribe to my videos, leave a comment that you subscribed, and I'll reply back saying thanks for commenting. And I'm going to be giving out 7 iPhones and iPhone 7 Plus S. And if you subscribe to my video, you will earn iPhone 7s Plus. And that's all I have today for you guys today. I know it wasn't that much, I didn't tell you a lot, but that was it. So these 2 things broke right here. Goes on this part right here, goes on this part. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys there. Peace out.